Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda Africa Twin 1000cc. This is the automatic version, 6-speed dual clutch automatic, ABS brakes. It's got multiple different kind of traction control, engine management. Comes with bark busters, GV side cases, engine guards. Only 1,400 miles on this beautiful Africa Twin with the automatic transmission. Black, red, and white, tricolor. Also has a Garmin Zumo GPS. Come on by, make your adventure touring dreams come true for just $10,999. 1,400 miles. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.